Hello everyone. Hope that you are passing a good time. Yeah, I'm on the cloud nine. So now I will talk about some tips and tricks. Who want to be a good English speaker and who want to be start your journey, but you don't know accurate process or way how you can start your journey. Any person, any student or anyone want to be a good English speaker, they should make a video about different kinds of topic. So at the first time you select 30 topics. So what kind of topic you will be select? Okay, not a professional topic. What will be coming in your mind? You try to make a video. You make a real effort. At the first time I will say you have to be dedication. So how you can make a video? Let's watch my video till end. Now I'm going to make a video about rainy days. I feel that rainy day is the perfect year for them who are busy with their tasks and who haven't much time to think about themselves. So rainy days gives them time to think about themselves as well as they can pass a good time with their family members. On the other hand, rainy days gives us a teach and lesson about in the world everything is temporary. So when bad times descend upon us, we shouldn't be dejected. We know well after heavy rains, rainbow will be come up. So I like our life will be sunshine after troubles. So be patient. So thank you everyone.